Waxing your face at home can be a convenient and cost-effective way to remove unwanted facial hair. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you do it safely and effectively. First, choose the right wax for your face, ensuring it is specifically designed for facial use. Prepare your skin by making sure it is clean, dry, and free of any creams or oils. If you have sensitive skin, consider doing a patch test first. If your wax needs heating, follow the instructions carefully and test the temperature on the inside of your wrist before applying it to your face. Apply the wax in the direction of hair growth using a wooden stick or applicator. When using hard wax, wait for it to harden before removing it in the opposite direction of hair growth. For soft wax, immediately place a fabric strip over the wax and pull it off in the opposite direction of hair growth, keeping it as close to the skin as possible. After waxing, soothe your skin with a gentle lotion or aloe vera to reduce redness and irritation. Remember to avoid direct sunlight, saunas, and harsh skincare products for at least 24 hours after waxing to prevent irritation. Lastly, remember to pull the skin taut before removing the wax and to pull the wax off parallel to the skin to reduce pain and avoid skin lifting. If you're new to waxing or have sensitive skin, consider doing a small area first to see how your skin reacts. If you experience any adverse reactions or are unsure about doing it yourself, seek professional help.